Bunny Bunny, it is your sister XO Rocky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing another deep conditioner series video with you, and today I will be reviewing DevaCurls Deep Sea Repair Strengthening Treatment Mask. So I have the product right here, and this is the DevaCurls Deep Sea Repair Seaweed Strengthening Mask, and this is a treatment. It is 100% sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free. This is my first ever DevaCurl product. I don't typically use this brand just because they are really expensive and I don't want to pay for it. If you get these promotional newspapers or sale magazines from Ulta, you will know that sometimes they have monthly deals. They were having a sale where this mask was $18, way cheaper than the usual $36 price. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the bunny family because I'd love to have you. Let's jump into this video. Okay, so when I do my hair now, I do typically section my hair. It's usually sectioned in 12 to 16. Today I do have it in 16 sections. The scent of it is interesting. It kind of smells like a disinfectant. I don't know why. It doesn't have a fruity scent. It doesn't have a floral scent. It doesn't have a salon scent. It smells like a house cleaning product. Literally, it smells like a disinfectant. I was able to apply it to my hair without modifying it, so I just applied it straight to the section. I worked it in. I used my brush to detangle it, and if I needed to, I did apply water, but I found that this treatment mask just really absorbed well into my hair without any problems. The consistency isn't too thick, but it's not too thin either, so a very good product in terms of the thickness. It spreads onto the hair nice and evenly. It coats the hair. Now this says it is a revitalizing formula made with restorative seaweed, a strengthening blend of rice, soy, and wheat proteins, and moisturizing sea lavender, and it transforms damaged hair. And it says it leaves your hair healthy, bouncy, and incredibly defined. I do like the strengthening aspect of this, so I would put this in a protein category because it really did leave my hair really strong, and I highly agree with that aspect of it. In the morning, as you can see, the product you don't really see on my hair. It pretty much absorbed into my hair. Like, it doesn't have any residue on my hair. You don't see the product sitting on my hair. It literally absorbed into my hair. And then I did hop in the shower. I rinsed the product out. When I jumped out of the shower, as you can see, my hair is frizzy. My hair is generally frizzy, so I can't say that this product gave me a lot of definition, but what it did do is it helped my hair feel strong. It helped my hair feel really resilient. Overall, my hair just felt healthier. So I do recommend trying it out, but I recommend waiting for a sale if you have the patience to. So as you can see, I really liked this product. I felt like it worked really well in my hair. I felt like it left my hair very strong and resilient like it said it would. I hope you find this video helpful. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe because I would love to have you. But until next time, see ya!